Hi. This is called the Double O poem, or All in a Woodpecker's Afternoon. Crooked doors, stools, brooms, a poor-looking roof, a gloomy sloop, even its moorings. A cook's boots, a poodle's pooper scooper, a groom's zoot suit, and even the bloody root of his floozy's toothache. Next, the sooty books that the rookie hoodlums boosted from school, and then, of course, their bedroom floorboards. All this are Woodpecker's booty. There was even proof in their footballs and pool cues. But, just after our culprit tooled and toodle-looed through all that stood aloof in the cool, in roosts, and in zoos, in loopholes and in hootoos, even in the spooky oomph of the moon, abloom with oodles of moolah, and goodies and mood, yes, after goofing around the wool gathering of this here boondoggle, this foolery, a loose smooth ooze of doodlebugs flooded in, boozing up all the woodpecker's grooves. Too bad. It flew away so soon.